time to delete these orange reflectors. Put some painted IND ones in. We've turned our wheels, so we got a little clearance here. We're going to use a heat gun, heat this up, heat the adhesive so we can get this to pop out. Let's try our plastic pry tool. Get this going. Up a little more. There it is. Now we have to get the rest of whatever came off of here. Let's see how much you got. Oh, there's not very much. Now that I've got all the excess double-sided tape off the backing here, we're gonna take some of this Speedy 500, which is basically an industrial glue gun. We're gonna clean the back side, get whatever else in there as far as glue off, because the better we prep this, the better our reflectors are going to stick and look. The last thing we're going to do is use a little brake clean to clean off whatever speedy or residue is still in there. So we want it to stick well. Now that everything's clean, ready to go, we're going to take our new reflectors and we're going to peel the backing off them, expose the double-sided tape. We're going to take them and slide them in very carefully. Get them situated and then press down. That should do it.